Okay, y'all. This customer wanted shutters that are 54 inches long.
54 inches by 12 inches.
So she wanted pine. We usually use cedar, but she's going to paint these. She wanted this smooth look, so that's good. You can use pine, but you have to paint them on the front and the back. And she wants 3 crossboards. So what Randy's doing now, he took the 54 in length and divided it in half, which made it the 27. So
That's where the middle of the middle crossboard is going to go.
Yeah. So there, and then we'll put these other crossboards, and he'll explain that one to you where they go. And that's going to be the shutter. We're hoping that that nail gun works. We just moved and we can't find our good ones. What?
Anything.
Yeah, we can't find anything. So these customers needed these by tomorrow, so we're trying to get these out. They don't want them stained or installed, so we're just building. So this is what it's going to look like. So how are you measuring from the end? So these shutters are 54, so you know every shutter is going to be different depending on the length of them. But you want your middle board, you're going to put if you're going to put 3 crossboards, you need to find your middle of your shutter.
All right, so you get about 25 inches, a little less than 25 inches. So a third of that is going to be 8 inches, or about 8 and a quarter, 8 and a third. So I'm going to say 8 inches.
8 inches from the top?
From the bottom.
And then 8 inches up here.
Yep.
So basically that's what it's going to look like. Randy's going to staple the tops, and then we're going to flip it over, and we're going to put screws at the bottom. You don't want screws on the top because you'll see that. You want to make sure all your edges lines up at the top and the bottom.
And then you want to make sure that it's square, so you don't have a crooked cross piece.
Yeah, you don't want to hang up shutters and you look at them and that cross piece crooked. So you got to make sure everything's straight and square, like you said. Did you put 3 in this one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to flip it over. Then we're going to put a screw. How many screws do you put?
I put 3 on the outside boards, like a triangle, and then 2 in the middle, and then 3 on the other outside board, and I do that
on all 3 of them. Yeah. And then that's it, y'all. So just make sure that you measure correctly, you have everything straight and square, and that you staple on the top, and then you flip it over and screw it on the back. Now cedar, we'll do cedar in a little bit. It's a little bit different. It's the same concept, but it's not pine. It's all cedar. And the cedar that we're using on the next customer is the little boards because he wanted a different. Usually we use the 5.5 inch for our cedar shutters, but this one he's using, what is it, 3.5?
Yeah, 3.5.
So it's going to be a little different, but we're going to do it. Okay, so this is what pattern he uses: 3, 2, and 3. And we're going to take it over there and we're going to sand it. And usually we stain them and then install. the back, just for extra support.
Added security.
Huh?
Just for added security.
Okay, now it's time to sand it.